Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy A53 without a power button or with a broken power button. So what you need to do is use a USB cable, and this USB cable needs to be plugged into a computer. It can be a Windows computer or a Mac computer, but it needs to be plugged into a computer and the computer is switched on. Next, we're going to press and hold on both the volume up plus the volume down key so that we can boot into download mode. So here, press on both keys. So press and hold. While you are holding the keys, plug in the USB cable. Once you see this screen here, press on the down button. So press on the volume down key. So volume down. Do not press the volume up key, otherwise you will be stuck in download mode. So only press the volume down key. Very important that you do this. And that's it. Now the phone will restart and turn on. And from here you can unplug the charging cable. Again, if you press on the volume up key, you will get stuck in download mode. You will have to wait for your battery to drain out to automatically turn off the screen. And that's it. Finally, we can just wait for the phone to boot up. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.